Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a package here to open from Etsy. And I did go ahead and open it, but I didn't open it all the way. And let me see if I can tell you what store this is from. What's Up, Buttercup. And I don't know if you can tell what it is, but the first thing is boring. It is some cable needles, but yay, I needed those. But here is what is exciting. These are PomPoms. And they are the snap-on kind, so you take the bottom part, sew this onto the hat, and then you can snap the hat or the pom-pom on. It makes it super easy, and you can interchange them. So let's see. These are beautiful. It has a black edge on the, or a black tip. Oh my goodness. And there's two black ones. These ones are a little bit smaller. I ordered some smaller than others. Oh, and this one might not have a snap. What does it have? It feels like there's something here. Maybe it's just a little ring. Or maybe it's just nothing. Maybe it's just the end, so you just hold it and just sew it on. So I guess not all of them have snaps. I don't remember exactly what I bought. This one doesn't have a snap. This one has a snap. Or maybe it's just the big ones have a snap. That must be what it is. Okay, so these smaller ones don't have snaps. I only ordered two of this big size. But I think this is the 6-inch one. I don't like it when shops don't give you an invoice because then you don't remember exactly what you ordered. But I think that these are the 6-inch ones, and I think that these are the 5-inch ones. And look at this pink one. It has a little bit of black on the end. Oh, it's really cute. And there is a little ring on this one. See that? And if you do this to them, it fluffs them out a little bit more and just makes them a little more fun. So let's see. This one measures, it's probably considered a 5-inch. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. So this is from What's Up, Buttercup. And I don't know, not all of them seem to have the little loop. This one does, and this one does. This one does. Oh, I think this one does too, yep. Maybe it's just the black ones that don't have a loop. Or maybe I just wasn't finding it. Here is the loop. Yes, okay, so they either have a loop or a snap. And the largest ones have the snap and the smaller ones just have the loop. But either way, they're fine. The loop is good too. The loop you can even loop onto a button if you want to. I can't find the loop on this one. That's funny. Oh, is that it? I found it. It's just so fuzzy, it's hard to find. It really is in there. There we go. See, I got the loop. Oh, that's fun. So this is called What's Up, Buttercup, and they have some really cute faux footballs, faux fur pom-poms. So I'm excited to use those. And these are exciting. These are little straight cable needles. I haven't really used the straight ones. I've only used the J hook ones. So I thought that these might work well, and I wanted to give them a try, and they are super inexpensive. So now I can. So thanks for watching, guys, and check out What's Up, Buttercup. Thanks. Bye-bye.